Today is March 5th. Is it 5th? Oh, wait, is it the 6th? Today is March 6th. It's Leanna's third day here. We are at Arnold Palmer. Leanna's battling cancer, and we are taking a video every day. Can you say hi? Say hi, Leanna. Oh, she doesn't like this today. She was sticking her tongue out. What do you think? Should she be in the video? Her Aunt Maya won't be in the video. She says no. But her daddy's in the video. And Minnie, without the face, without your face, Minnie's in the video. These diapers are preemie diapers they put on her hands last night. Can you say hi? What do you have to tell everyone? Well, she wants to eat you guys. Well, alrighty. We'll have another video tomorrow. Today, Leanna's been doing much better. Her surgery's tomorrow.